Welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to self-host CloudPanel on your server. If you're tired of complicated server management or just want something clean, fast, and efficient for any web application, this video is for you. CloudPanel is a free, modern, and straightforward server control panel that lets you manage your server like a pro, whether you're running PHP, Node.js, or even Python applications. The best part? It's designed for high-performance tech stacks, so it's perfect for developers and sysadmins alike. You can set up CloudPanel on any server in this demonstration. I chose the Oracle Cloud instance. You can get started managing your servers in no time. Step 1. Deploy a fresh server. First, you need to create a server on your favorite server provider. If you're looking for a cheap server provider, check out our website. I use Oracle for this video. I am going to speed up the process because this process differs from provider to provider. I will explain common selections you should make during the process. During the selection of an operating system for the server, choose an Ubuntu 24.04 or Debian image. The next important thing is SSH access to your server. Don't forget to upload your SSH keys. This step is important for secure access to your server. If you don't have keys yet, you can generate them right from Oracle's interface and download them. For other server platforms, most of them offer a password sign-up method. You can find it in their instructions. Step 2. Connect to the server terminal. After deploying the server, you have to connect to it through an SSH connection. You can use any SSH client you prefer. I am using the Bitwise client. Here you have to add the IP address of the server and an authentication method, simply username and password. For Oracle Cloud Ubuntu server, the username is Ubuntu and authentication is via the public key that you downloaded previously. Step 3. Install CloudPanel. Once you connect to the server, switch to the root user. Now, let's update the system and install required packages. Run the command. Once that's done, let's run the CloudPanel installer. You'll be choosing your database engine here. For this demo, we'll go with MySQL 8.4. Just run this command. This installation takes time. Sit back and wait until it is finished. Now the installation is completed. You need to open some ports of the server before checking the CloudPanel. Step 4. Configure Firewall. To make sure CloudPanel can communicate properly, we need to whitelist a few important ports: 80, 443, and 8443. In Oracle Cloud, just click on your VCN, go to the public subnet, and under Default Security List, add the ingress rules for these ports. Use the instructions of your server provider to whitelist the above ports. Step 5. Access CloudPanel. After installation, it's time to access CloudPanel. You'll need to reboot your instance for everything to take effect. Once done, open your browser and navigate to the address below. Now, you'll see a warning about the self-signed certificate. No worries, just click Advanced and proceed to CloudPanel. When you log in for the first time, you will see this window to create an admin user. Set a strong password and username for the admin user account. Then you can log in using those credentials. And that's it. You've just set up CloudPanel on Oracle Cloud in a few simple steps. You're now ready to manage your server with ease, running applications in a high-performance environment. Remember, CloudPanel is all about simplicity, so managing your server just got a whole lot easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.